Right, we've got some good news. Being online today, a couple of people recommended a place to go to for the drive shafts, which is sitting down there, and we've got two. Problem was that there's two different types of drive shaft for ours. Ours is the 26. Took us a while to find them. We found them, we got them. Hopefully they're going to arrive tomorrow, which is Tuesday. So they're the old ones there. Yeah, that really shouldn't come out so easy. That's when you know it's goosed. But yeah, that has seen better days. It really has. I mean, you can't really tell from camera, but some of the splines, they're just wobbly. And then inside the actual hub itself, in there, there's literally nothing. So it was kind of a bonus that we come across them. So then all we've got to do is put the shafts back in, bolt them all up, then put the back plate on first, then put the shafts in, bolt them all back up. Then we can arrange the actual disc brakes, and then we can put the discs back on, the hangers back on, which are somewhere over there. There's the hangers, and then we can put the calipers back on, and then the wheel back on. So now we're just kind of hanging around in Sam's back garden, but it does give me a chance to get into the back of the van and sort some of the cables out that I wanted to do, and then basically wait for the things to come, which for us will be tomorrow, but for you guys will probably be a couple of minutes. I've been dragged to the range.
Christmas decorations for the van. Yay!
Sam and Lisa thought it would be a lovely idea for us all to come to the range.
Reminds me of you.
I weirdly seem to be getting involved in this. I've got lights. The basket's getting full. Just had that message that your delivery is moments away. I hope these are the right ones, I really do. A van has just pulled up. Hello. Hello, mate.
Where's the yacht? Is he in? You what, sorry? Yeah, for us. All right. I need to take.
Yeah, go on, just put a look down there. There we go. Hopefully these are the right things. Fingers crossed. So far, one looks right. Shiny. Ooh. Yep. Yeah, they are lined up. That should have side one. Right, now we just got to hope that the other side's smaller. Right, there you go. That should fix the problem. Time to put our crap mechanic clothing on. Oh, right. Now we've got some adequate clothing to be scrubbing around on the vehicles. Wrap up because it's a bit chilly out here. I think it's about 1 degree, something like that. A bit cold in Cumbria. So get these on. Then we're going to drop the differential oil. I have bought new oil, so bought enough for us to do ours and Sam to do his as well. And then taking out for a test drive. Right, so putting them back together starts with the one thing that the job started with, and that is to put the back plate back on. So that will start there. We are waiting for some new adjusters to come, so we can't actually complete the job before they arrive, but they're going to be here any time. So yeah, we can kind of get it all together before we put the back brakes on. Then we just got to wait for them to come. So, and then hope it all fits in properly, because you never know until you put the you put it in the hole. You don't know whether it's going to fit. Right, that's in. New nuts.
Bolt.
Yeah, bolts even.
I'll do that. Nuts, bolts.
Just check those nuts are all tight, bolts are tight.
Yeah, we'll do that. We'll go around it all at the end.
Right, we got both sides in. Now we could have got from a scrapyard by Sam's, we could have got a pair of the same year vehicle for £50 each, but we both said fitting new is a lot better for the vehicle, because you know she's 10 years old, and the more things you replace with new stuff, the better. What's gone wrong here? What have I fucking done? Ah, you fucking pair of dickheads.
What are you doing?
We're fucking idiots. That's what we
Wrong
are.
way around.
We're idiots. We put the back plate on the wrong way round. Right, out it comes. So this plate, the lip on it, the lip goes on the inside. So shaft out, replace this again. Back out it comes. So if you are doing it, remember this goes that way. And then also remember as well that your handbrake part, get that in the right position before you connect everything up, because once it's all connected up, this is a bit of a nightmare to move. Yeah, that's a pain to move, so get that in the right position before you do it. Right, let's put the shaft back in. In she goes. Right, as well as doing other replacement things as well, we are replacing the adjusters. If you don't know what the adjuster does, when you turn that one there, you'll see this part rises. So I just hold that, turn the adjuster. You'll see that rises there, so that's what adjusts your back brakes with your handbrake. So we are replacing them because ours are a little bit worn.
Right, so while they're fixing things and doing all that, I'm going to go and Christmasize the van. Yes, I'm going to make it all Christmassy, because the Grinch won't like it, but I do. And I did ask if it's safer for me to be inside there while it's on the axle stands, and they both said yeah. So in I go. See you later.
Hanger and brakes back on now. I'll tell you what, there's some people you meet in van life, and some people you come across, and they're nice people. They genuinely are nice people. But then there's other people that you meet. It's kind of like, how can I describe it? If the rest of society was like these people, the world would be such a better place. Like Sam and Lisa. Right, that should be it, done. Right, all we're going to do now is drop the diff oil, which I am not looking forward to because I know I'm going to balk. Change the diff oil and then go from there. So like I was saying, you do come across, or we have come across people since we've been living full time in the van, and before that, who were just genuine lovely people. Sam, just you could not meet a nicer human being in your entire life. The guy is so giving, so genuine, so helpful. He's just a genuine nice guy. Lisa, same. Tony and Darren, Campervan Codgers, they're the same. David Bloomfield, other friends of ours, we've just seen to meet Nick and Jen, Paul, all the people that we sort of met and we've got together with them, we've met through Vanlife, who now we class as close friends. You could not meet better people. We're lucky. We've got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of friends now who you would be hard pushed to find one set of friends as good as they are. Just unbelievable people. So to you lot, thank you. From the bottom of our hearts, you are lovely people. This world needs more people like you lot. So, yeah. But Sam has done us an absolute solid here. He really has. Looked after us no end. So, right. Get this wheel on. Drop the smelly fluid. Top it up with good fluid. And then take her for a test drive. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed it works. So that's the bung on the floor there. And that just goes in the back of your diff just there. That big hole, and then on the side, that's your drain. And there's the dirty, horrible stuff. That smells tasty. I'll smell it. Right, I'm going to leave that drain, like Sam said, for a bit. And then fill it back up with this. With that stuff. Not bloody cheap that was. £54 for the 5 litre. But it'll do our van and Sam's van. So, bonus. I've no words. I'm beaten. Beaten. Scrubbing around. Messing with things. Just beaten. But it's nice because I now know how rear brakes work on vans. That was the only issue I had. I didn't really understand how they worked. Kinda did, but I didn't. Now I've been with Sam for a couple of days. Totally understand how they work now. So, yeah, I can add that to my list of things that I know. Yeah, I get it. So, but as I said before, absolute legend. The man is just... There's no words for like the type of person he is. Right. Oh.
Hi.
That's dinner.
That's dinner.
Right.
Oh.
Let's go get fed. Right. So the crap has been unloaded there, and now it's getting time to put the new stuff in. We've been under here now a good half an hour pumping this in on the world's slowest pump. It's got that bad that Sam's even brought the heater. And you think I'm joking? It's there. You can feel it though, can't you? You can feel it, yeah. It's took the edge off. Well, welcome to Santa's Grotto.
I think we're missing a few bits, you know.
Do you think? I mean, we've even got stuff around here with lights on.
Well, yeah, because if
And
you open
gonks.
the van door,
That was my idea, by the way.
you're gonna see it.
She's trying to steal my idea.
We've got other little hidden gonks around as well. It's like spot the gonk in here.
There's one.
There's the king of the gonks.
Well, you've done good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
High five?
Yeah, we definitely look Christmassy. You can't say there's been no effort made in this van for Christmas, can you?
And to be fair, we always have got a little bit of Christmas up anyway, because Neil's daughter crocheted us these the other Christmas.
And we do have a
And we've got a little gingerbread person as well.
but no, I like it.
You do?
It looks good. Does look good. We did have that LED Christmas tree down there where the bed is, where it down this end, but whew, good God, it was a little bit bright, wasn't it?
So bright.
Yeah,
So,
it was so bright, so
well, it's great reading light from the bedroom.
brilliant. So it looks really good. Now the van is fixed.
Yay!
Finally, we are fixed. That was a good job. Well done by two amazing chaps.
It was. I am literally in awe of you guys.
Sam cannot thank Sam enough.
And Lisa.
And Lisa. But yeah, he's done us no end of favours there. It does show. Good friends.
And because of you, yeah, okay, it's been a bit expensive of a fix from 35 to like pretty much 600 what we've spent, isn't it?
Yeah, near on £600, but we did replace a lot of things.
But if we hadn't have been at Sam and Lisa's and we weren't lucky enough to be on their driveway at the time, it would have been accommodation, which in itself is stressful because we've got 4 dogs.
Well, we'd have had to do it like at the side of a road, and the lucky thing for us is we had Sam. Sam knows. I was very unsure about the adjustment of the back brakes. I didn't really get it. The rest of the stuff I probably would have got by on, but Sam knows things that I didn't know, and it was nice to learn off him.
But you're not doing that job on the side of a road, so it would have been recovery.
You
Going
could do
into
it
a
on the side of the road.
You're not doing that job on the side of a road. It wouldn't be done.
Well, if
Yeah,
we were
we
abroad,
didn't-
you could do.
Yeah, but we don't have axle stands. We don't have any of that stuff. This is what I'm saying. It would
See,
have been
maybe
thousands.
we should get axle stands. Maybe
It's
it would
something
be.
to look at. It is something. So thank you to Sam and Lisa for letting us stay on your driveway
Yeah.
for the last few days is what I'm getting to, because it would have cost us thousands.
And if you do want to thank them on our behalf, go and subscribe to him.
Yeah.
He's nearly 10,000. Push him up, get him up there. Only you can do that. We can't do it. All we can do is thank him and give him hugs and kisses and tell him
Make him cups of tea.
he's a legend.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we are fixed now, and we are
Back on
back
the road.
on
again.
the road again. So, we've got a little bit of a plan on what we're going to be doing.
Have we?
Yeah.
I didn't think we did.
Oh, yeah, we've got a plan.
I thought the plan had gone out the water.
No, it's a secret code plan. So, basically, one of our friends, we've sent them a secret code
That they have to decipher.
that they don't know about. But within that code tells them exactly what's going on.
Oh, and where we're going to be.
Yeah, and what we're going to be doing.
Right.
So we're just waiting for something to come, and then we can carry on from there. I know this sounds all confusing, but
Welcome
when you
to
see the
us.
video, you will be like, that's brilliant. And it will hopefully wind them up for a good week.
I don't like winding people up, though.
Oh, I do.
You do, I don't.
They didn't choose to play the game, by the way. They were
You
just...
chose them.
I chose them. So, yeah, it will be... hopefully it will be nice. Like, really nice. So, right, we're going to leave this one. And, yeah, sort the van out. We've got a couple of little things to do.
We've always got a couple of little
And
things
then we're
to
just
do,
going to
haven't
chill out for a day.
we? Yeah?
Yeah.
Right.
Probably not. Right, we're going. Catch you lot later.